Hello friends, I am Jobin. Today I am planning to share some knowledge around web technology and will be added to a playlist. With this playlist, you will find news and tutorials on web development and design. This video is about how to create a website or a blog and how you can host a website. It covers details around buying a domain, control panel setup, SSL installation and WordPress content management system. It will be presented in a 3-part series. I am presenting now the part 1 of this series. Without further delay, welcome to TechFox. In the first part of the series, how to host a website, I will cover buying a domain, control panel setup, free SSL installation. Let's go.
Dear friends, I am using GoDaddy hosting for this demo. There are many hosting providers available and you can choose any hosting provider you like. You can search for the domain of your choice using the search option. You can purchase a domain and hosting plan just like in a shopping cart. Let's see how to buy a domain. I'm going to buy a domain here for a demo. kellycartel.com. Click on search. The domain is available for purchase. Add to cart. Inside the basket, I am selecting domain for 1 year. Continue shopping. If you don't have a hosting server, you can purchase a new hosting plan. Click hosting. Here you can see different hosting solutions. We need normal web hosting plan. Click on web hosting Linux. Now you will see different Linux plan here. I am just going for a starter plan. It is a basic plan for single website. Add to cart. We can select our time length here. Checkout. Add payment. There are many payment options here. I am selecting UPI. Complete the purchase. And make a payment. Okay, our purchase is completed. Now let's go to my product section. Here we can see the domain and hosting plan I purchased. Actually we have Linux based hosting plan here. Let's click on the setup button. We are waiting. This is the first time we have entered the control panel. The control panel will be under one domain. It can be selected during the setup. Let's connect the domain techfoxlogic.com to the control panel as a main domain. Select data center Asia. If you are from Europe, you can use Europe as your data center. Provisioning your account. Updating domain. Onboard completed successfully. Now let's go to the control panel. Click the domain section. Public underscore HTML is the document root of techfoxlogic.com. We are hosting website in this root folder. Let's go to the root directory. You can see landing page file here. We access this file using browser. I am deleting all the unnecessary files. In the root folder, I am creating index.php for testing. Open index.php file. I am pasting a demo HTML content here. I am typing a words here. Hi friends. Save file. Let's go to the URL techfoxlogic.com. The URL is working fine now. Let's see how to create a subdomain. Go to cPanel, click on subdomain. In the create subdomain section, add your subdomain name. I am adding subdomain app. Click on document root field. public_html/ app.techfoxlogic.com is the document root of subdomain. Click create. The subdomain is created. Let's go to the URL. Enter. It is not working. Let's check it. Go to the cPanel root folder, public_html. Open app.techfoxlogic.com. Create index.php file for testing. Open index.php file. I am pasting a demo HTML content here. Save file. Go to the URL app.techfoxlogic.com. Enter. The index page is loading now. Now you can see the subdomain app.techfoxlogic is working fine. Let's see how to install SSL for free. Go to 0ssl.com and create an account here. Enter your email and password. Click on next step. We are on dashboard now. Actually, we are taking a free plan here and only one domain can be used in this plan. Click on the create new certificate. Enter our domain name here. Let's click on the next step button. Here you can see two options, a 90-day certificate and 1-year certificate. 90-day certificate is free and can be renewed after 90 days. Click next step. You can see CSR and contact section. You can enter contact information manually or use auto-generated information. I am using auto-generated information here. Click on the next step. We already selected a free plan, 90-day certificate. Click next step. There are 3 verification methods in this step: email verification, DNS and HTTP file upload. We will select HTTP file upload option. You can see a box now. To verify your domain using HTTP file upload, please follow these steps. Download auth file. We can download it by clicking on this link. A text file downloaded. We need to upload this file to the server and create 2 folders for it. Let's go to the hosting panel. Here we can create the .well-non folder. Files starting with the dot are most likely hidden on the server. So let's go to the settings and select the show hidden file. Now you can see the hidden file. Now let's create a folder called pki-validation inside this folder. Open it. Let's upload the previously downloaded text file to this folder. Reload folder. You can see the text file we uploaded. Now move on to the third step. Click on the link. You can see that our file has been uploaded correctly. Click next step. Click on verified domain. You can see the message, congratulations, your domain is verified now. Next, we need to install this certificate on the server. Click on the download certificate message. Your certificate has been issued and ready for installation. To continue, please follow these steps. Download the zip file from here. Unzip the file and open it. Now you can see three files here: c_bundle.crt, certificate.crt, and private.key. Now let's go to the SSL and TLS section in the control panel. Click on Manage SSL site. Select your domain here. You will see three fields. Copy the file to the respective fields. Open the downloaded folder. Open certificate with the help of a text editor. I am using Sublime text editor. You can use any text editor you like. Copy and paste the certificate. Next, the private key file. Open it. Copy and paste the private key. Finally, CA bundle. Copy and paste. Click on the install certificate button. Now you can see the message SSL certificate successfully updated. And now you will see a green lock icon on techfoxlogic.com. Let's go to the browser. Type https://techfoxlogic.com. Now the URL changed. A lock icon appeared. Click on the lock icon. Your connection is secured. You can see the certificate details here. Everything is fine now. The SSL certificate is installed. We need to finalize our installation. Go back to zerossl.com. Click next step and check your installation. The installation completed.
I hope you understand this video. The next video is about how to create a website or a blog using WordPress content management system. Don't forget to watch it. Bye bye.